Hi, C to the Purple. Nakaila ka pa ba na ako? Wala lagi.
Freedom. This should be a safe place. I don't see any more cameras. I'm jumping down to that end of it. And it looks like on top of the golden block there's a chest. There should be something useful here. I'm convinced now that this is just Melon's lab.
Te, ano IG mo, te? Oh, my IG.
Otherwise, his phone security. Iron sword.
It's Linini. ITSLYNINI. You know, most of the guys here doesn't know
So sorry.
the truth behind about those leaks. Kung ang galing yung mag-search sa PH, sana marunong din kayong mag-fact check, no? Kung sino at paano nangyari yun at anong year yun. All of those were like from the past. I'm clean this year. All of those were like from the past, and then ngayon kimi nagkalat. I don't know why. Triggered siguro yung taong gumawa nun. But that is not me. I was not who I was from a year ago. I'm clean this year, and parang gusto akong i-bring down, gusto akong siraan of how siguro triggered of how unbothered I am. Kasi I'm mainly just focusing on myself. Pero yun nga, I've learned not to, give a shit about things that I cannot control. Kasi hindi ko naman kagagawan yun eh. No, I did not leak any of those and shit and stuff. Payapa yung buhay ko ngayon, and magpo-focus ako dun kung saan yung payapa. So, no matter what you guys throw in my face, I don't care. Kasi I am simply just living.
Perfect shot.
Yeah. That's all, thank you.
I hear the alarms. Let's get to alert Melon. I've got to move fast.
Papaya. I moved on.
I'm in. Doesn't
It's
matter.
you guys who did not.
The security can't
Obviously.
stop me. And this goes over.
No, being in a relationship na. Kasi everything's just too much, no? Not only that, kasi parang
It worked.
I don't see myself, having like the, like my dream relationship, kasi considering my past, it's kind of hard to find, yun, the guy. So I'd rather just be on my own.
This is still so embarrassing. I can't believe this room is pink. Let me guess. This is for his girlfriend,
Okay.
Melanie. Here I was thinking he had a secret surprise for my birthday. He's just decorating this place for his girlfriend. What a cringer.
But I'm not sad or anything, and I prefer to be like this. I prefer to be on my own, kasi like I'm not like wala akong responsibilidad na tao. Like I'm not responsible of anyone's feelings or anything. Just me. I've been minding my own business.
Find my room. Notes. He found my room.
Who's watching cartoons? My son. Charot. My nephew. My nephew. Thank you, Kizya. Unsay ka title gani ginakanta nimo?
This is Minecraft hide and seek.
What do you mean?
Transform into
Duyog? Oh yeah, I have my favorite Bisaya song, and like it's titled Duyog. Pero hindi ko siya kakantahin ngayon kasi I'm still learning pa sa ukulele. I'm practicing pa mag-ukulele. And then I will sing it to my favorite person. Hi, unidentified. Ano ba yun? Paano babasahin yan? Sexus. I'm also Bisaya. You're Bisaya. Ano pangalan mo sa IG? It's Linini. Ang sa ganita. Hello. Thank you so much. This is Bisaya song. Ano title lang? Ay, oo pala. Thank you, my suga. Boang. Ano na ang pangalan yan? Binatatawa. Sure po, nag-attempt ka. Guys, you can never say na sure po nag-attempt ka. Kasi when I did that, you know, the hanging stuff,
Found my hiding spot.
I really couldn't remember the last thing that I did. Akala ko panaginip siya. Like, this is for real. I feel so cringe explaining this right now kasi you really never know what true depression is. Like, di mo talaga akalain na ganun pala talaga. Especially yung feeling, hindi ko siya ma-explain ng maayos. Kung ikaw, if you're someone na did not experience like a very dark manic episode, hindi mo talaga, like, you will really never know na you're a depressed person. I myself did not know that, and when I did that, I really couldn't remember a thing. And I just thought na last thing I remember is akala ko natulog ako. That's all I can remember. And then, yun nga, the house was everything was like sira-sira, scattered. Basta may mga basag. Like, parang, I don't know. Di ko na maalala yung maayos. Para sa akala ko, last thing that I did, I did notes. It was like a letter sa notes ko. And akala ko, natulog lang ako. Pero I did not pala. I was literally indeed hanging. So like, yun lang yung maalala ko. And I do believe in miracles now. Yeah.
Why is there TNT on me? I mean, what the? Dude, where did you go? I know you're in there. I don't know what you're talking about, Sonny. Attack! Attack! No!
Yeah.
I actually got you. Nice. Round one.
Bisakol ka ba? Bisaya?
For sure. I had it. I thought it was truly invisible.
Yeah, that's why, like, I don't get how, like, totoo yun, guys. Totoo yun na, it's really hard na mag-open up about depression kasi people na hindi alam kung ano yung totoong depression, judge you so easily. Ay, okay lang yan. Di ko naman depressed eh. Depression is never really about, like, how you look or anything. Depression masks. It's like it comes in different masks. You can be a very delightful person, but you'll never know na napakadilim pala. Like, it's very, very hard to explain. And people, like, pag nag-open up kami, when we tend to open up or explain about it, just, alam nyo to, na most of the people, nakikringe sila kasi you think na it's not true, it's not real, na OA lang drama. And it's really hard. So that's why most of the, like, depressed person, we just tend to, like, get quiet. We tend to isolate and stuff. Yes, we still post and stuff. Kasi why would we bother letting you guys know na we're depressed? So yeah, masasabi talaga na, last time nakita ko sa'yo, last time nakita kita, ang tuwa-tuwa mo pa. It's really hard. Watching from Alaska.
It's time, Sonny. I'm gonna track down those particles that will surely be emitted by you.
Yeah. So like, yeah.
Wait a second.
So like, be kind always, you know? That's why I have this stats. It says always in always. Always. Always, like ALL, then ways na daan. And then always na lagi. Always. This is in my penmanship. It says always in always. So it means, sa lahat ng paraan, lagi. And that phrase parang, alam mo na kung ano yun. Sa lahat ng paraan lagi. Whether it's your life, it's your career, or whatever it is that you do in life, just be that. Sa lahat ng paraan lagi. You do you. You do your own thing.
Becoming baby alien Sonny. Soon after that, I found out being an alien comes with a lot of cool perks, like super speed, jump boost, and much more. Now the question is, who's the for you? Or
You know being kind is free. Lippy is from Kim Yus. Kim
Baby
Yus.
Melon, we finally found it. It's the temple. Oh, be very careful. Quan.
Hi,
Warned us about this
Jordel.
temple. Yes, Melon, it's the temple of ancient aliens. And look, it's the...
Naglalaro ka po ba ng ML?
We've gotta have
Well,
it.
yeah. Pero right at the moment, no. Kasi busy ako. I do not have time for
You're right, bro.
games.
If the aliens were real, they'd for sure stop us right now from stealing their legendary
Anong grade mo na, te?
artifact. Exactly.
Ano?
Just gotta figure out which
Secret.
lever opens this up. And be very careful not to flick the incorrect one.
Okay.
Sonny? Sonny, where'd you go? Sonny, I told you to be careful! Ah! What the heck is happening? I'm getting abducted! No way, not like
Coffee
this.
or
It's an
tea?
alien UFO!
Matcha.
Stop for me! Well, on the bright side, I at least know what the trapped lever is. Don't press that one. I can press
Kumakain
it.
ba kayo
No,
pichi-pichi?
No problemo.
Kumakain ka
It's
pichi-pichi?
raising, let's go!
Hindi mo alam yun?
I did it. The alien
Pichi-pichi.
bomb. Give me this thing. Let's go!
Kumakain ba si ano nun?
I'm gonna sell this for a
Agape?
fortune. No,
Agape?
no choice. I'm trapped in the alien spaceship. I've got to find out what they want from me. Hey guys.
Wait
We're
lang.
cool, right? We're totally chill.
Thank you, Kizia.
I don't know what you're saying. I don't speak alien.
Nakakasilaw ng ilaw.
Finally understand you guys.
Ayan.
I am one of you now.
Pichi-pichi tayo.
No way.
I think mga 200, 300, or 4. Depende sa size. Pero mura lang siguro yun.
Why don't you just tractor beam him up like you did me and get the block back yourself?
Hi, ano.
With this world,
Okay.
more than we already have with our trapped lever, the old wise quantum dingleberry can go here, and he'll annihilate us.
Yo, Quandale is crazy like that. You're telling me he's the protector of our world and can even stop alien invasions?
Yes, Sonny.
Hello?
Quandale is too strong.
Anyways, Quandale's the man, but I guess I'll help you out today. I will get
Genuine
the
question kasi
artifact back
reality
from
to.
Melon.
Pag nakaka-encounter
I'll
ka
get
na
my
ng
revenge 'cause he abandoned me.
nakaka-encounter ka ng pang sexualize, what do you do?
I bet you didn't even shed a single tear.
Well, actually,
These weapons.
I do nothing kasi hindi naman ako namamansin sa mga type of tao na ganyan eh. Even on DMs, I don't open my DMs that much. I mean, nag-open ako ng DMs pero I discard everything that is, yun, contains sexual something. I may not respond to some, pero
Artifact.
nababasa ko din yung mga genuine na DMs and
It's only a matter of
siniscreenshot ko lang yung mga genuine na DMs and I just keep it sa notes ko. Nakastack lang lahat. Yung mga wholesome na message. Pero mga other than naging mga sessions, I do not reply, I do not respond. And in person, I only talk
be hiding inside somewhere.
alam kong okay, like, basta,
Oh, my precious
ang hirap i-explain eh.
so much money.
Pero alam ko kasi yung tao na with good intentions and with not.
Hey, what the heck happened to you? Well, Melon, after you abandoned me in the alien temple, I was abducted and probed and transformed into this. Oh, you got probed. Yeah, but guess what? Now I got wings. I look awesome. I can jump
Pero
really high.
guys, ang daming problema sa mundo and people are just being people. You know?
Obviously.
Very
Abandoned me, and
earthlings.
She immediately moved in. Also, she's way bigger than you. You realize
Diba? Ang dami nila sa Comsec. Eh, kung iniisip nila yung corruption, diba? Kaysa sa akin.
Cooties, and I'm gonna get rid of her. No!
Da.
Fine. Alien technology
Ay,
doesn't
no.
work on innocent people.
Pinoy talaga.
You, on the other hand, Melon,
Thank you, Tina. I love you, girls. I love girls so
Tell
much.
me where their artifact is. They sent me
I love it when I'm surrounded with beautiful and confident girls.
Last warning! I sold it!
Literal na ano, girls are so healing.
Bro, Quandale Dingleberry paid me like 20 million emeralds. No way you sold it to Quandale. You do realize
Hi,
he's the defender of our
Castro.
world, which is kind of cool, but also the aliens are totally innocent. Quandale's going to annihilate them if he has
Ayan,
the
I did not
artifact, which
need
is
to
cool.
explain myself
Well,
as
the
to
aliens paid me like
why
5 emeralds for it.
Bakit ganon? And again, for clarifications, it's not this year. I'm clean this year.
Here you go, Sonny.
And triggered yung taong nagkalat
Now let me
ng
arrange that little something for you. Sonny, what did you do to me?
Mapait. Ang alin ba?
In this volcanic layer. That's what you get for abandoning your brother. Bro, what was I supposed
Ding
to
dong.
do? Take down a spaceship? Yeah, dude. You could have at least tried. I didn't even know where it was. Plus, I didn't believe in aliens. I didn't even know what happened to you. So you just immediately forgot about me.
Wait lang.
I think this is fair revenge.
Mag-order lang ako ng pichi-pichi. Parang nagugutom ako.
I got this. I can do this. I can get out of here. He can't stop.
Lippy is from
Oh no!
Kimmy's.
That melon.
No stress. I'm not.
And that. And this. No! Dang it, you spawned one
I'm
of
not
these.
stressed. Sorry. Kumain ako ng gatas.
Check yourself out. What did you do to me?